Morning, this call is number 2020-47532 in the interest of Hayden War. All parties and witnesses, please raise your right hands to be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, ma'am, please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Jacqueline War, and I'm his mother.
All right, and representing Attorney General, State of Texas.
Andrea Yaw.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent is Johnny Mejias. Mr. Mejias was personally served on November 4th, 2021 at 11:03 a.m. at 402 Del Norte Street in Houston, Harris County, Texas. And he's not filed an answer or made an appearance. Is that correct, Ms. Theoff?
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. We'd like to call Jacqueline War.
All right.
All right. Ms. War, will you please state your name for the record?
Jacqueline War.
And will you state the name and age of your child?
Hayden John War. He is 22 months right now.
And who is Hayden's father?
John Mejias.
And have you ever alleged that someone other than Johnny Mejias could be Hayden's dad?
No.
And are you asking that the court establish the parent-child relationship between Johnny and Hayden and adjudicate him as Hayden's father today?
Yes.
And has Johnny been involved with Hayden at all?
No, I haven't heard from him since April 2020, before Hayden was born.
All right. So you guys have had zero contact and he hasn't made any attempt to co-parent. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And are you asking that the court appoint you as Hayden's sole managing conservator due to Johnny's lack of interest and involvement?
Yes.
And are you asking that the court order that Johnny have a standard possession order should he choose to exercise visitation?
Yes.
And are you asking that the court order that you are the parent who designates the child's primary residence within Harris County and counties contiguous to Harris County?
Yes.
And how is your child currently covered for health insurance?
He gets Medicaid.
And are you asking that the court order you to continue that Medicaid?
Yes.
All right. Do you know what Johnny does for a living?
From what I've heard, he works at AutoZone, but I'm not 100% sure since we have no contact.
Do you have any reason to believe that he makes more than minimum wage or less?
I wouldn't know.
Right.
I assume they don't pay well.
So are you asking that the court order him to pay child support calculated based on minimum wage, taking one other child into account in the amount of $190 a month beginning June 1st, 2022?
Yes.
And to your knowledge, he does pay child support for one other child, correct?
Yes.
All right. And are you asking that the court order him to pay $57 a month in cash medical support?
Yes.
All right. And has Johnny ever given you any money to help support Hayden?
No.
Are you asking that the court award you retroactive child support and make a judgment against him in the amount of $4,600 for the time period between July 3rd, 2020 and May 16th, 2022?
Yes.
Are you asking that he be ordered to pay that back at $73 a month?
Yes.
Do you believe that an order that contains all of the provisions we talked about would be in Hayden's best interest?
Yes.
And are you asking to sign and enter that order today?
Yes.
Thank you. I have no further questions and pass the witness.
All right, the court will approve the order submitted. Thank you very much.
Thank you.